Hi everyone, I am Bhupendra and in this short video I'll share 5 simple phrases that will help you to sound more natural and confident in English conversation. The very first, I'm not sure but use it instead of just saying I don't know. I'm not sure but I think the meeting starts at 3. The second one, that makes sense. Use it when someone explains something to you and you agree. That makes sense. Thanks for explaining. And the third one, by the way, it is a simple way of changing topic. By the way, did you finish your homework? And the fourth one, let me think. Instead of just staying silent, use it to sound more fluent. Let me think. Oh, I saw him yesterday. At last, you know what I mean? It is a simple way to check understanding. It was frustrating. You know what I mean? Thanks for watching.